Welcome back. Today we'll be talking about tumor suppressor genes, and they are genes that are protective against cancers. So if they're mutated, cancers are prone to happen. These are very important. You really have to memorize all of them like the back of your hand. GIT related, we have APC gene, which causes colon polyps if damaged. In a funny way, remember that APC stands for a polyp in colon. DCC for colon cancers. Remember that DCC can stand for dangerous colon cancers. Obviously it doesn't stand for that, but just remember it this way. DPC and SMAD for pancreatic cancers. CDKN for pancreatic and melanomas. Endocrine tumor suppressor genes, we have P10 for endometrial, prostate, and breast cancers. NF1 and NF2 neurofibromatosis 1 and 2. Renal system wise, we have VHL for clear cell carcinoma. WT, which actually stands for Wilms tumor. RB, which stands for retinoblastoma gene, which causes retinal and bone cancers. TSC for tuberous sclerosis. And finally TP53, which causes a lot of cancers everywhere in the body. Here's a little quiz for you. What cancers are associated with the following tumor suppressor genes?